Hi all, I am Dr. Danish Salim. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is about exercise. Puneet Rajkumar, the Kannada superstar, aged 46, died recently. He developed chest pain while exercising at gym. So exercising is supposed to be something good for your body and should definitely be a part of our day-to-day lives. Exercising helps us to reduce overweight, improve the cardiovascular status, and even takes off our depression. Exercising are proven to help protect against various diseases like hypertension, diabetes, hypercholesteremia, depression, and anxiety. Plus, it can improve thinking, learning, and judgment, and even help you get a better night's sleep. But having said that, overdoing exercise can definitely harm our body, which you have to understand. Post-overworkout fatality was also claimed to be a factor in the death of actor Siddharth Shukla. It is said that he had previously worked out for around 2 to 2.5 hours before passing away in his sleep. So in the last 5 years, I have lost at least 8 to 9 people personally known to me, along with these celebrities in their 40s who died because of doing too much to be fit. Unfortunately, they only looked fit on the outside. So what is over-exercising? So over-exercising is what we say when people who go from not exercising at all to trying too aggressively to get into shape or lose weight. It is not necessarily about the total quantity of exercise you are doing. It's about the intensity, to how much fast you are increasing the intensity. Particularly stressful and increased exercise hours are said to be a common factor for celebrities who tend to develop such conditions. It is also considered to be a reason why seemingly fit people tend to pass away with a cardiac arrest even with the best diet and exercise. High intensity exercise can increase the risk for sudden cardiac arrest or sudden cardiac death in individuals who are having some sort of cardiac problems. When the heart endures extreme physical stress over and over, the temporary damage may lead to remodeling of the heart or physical changes such as thickening the heart walls and scarring of the heart can happen. So exercising without proper caution or guidance can lead to straining or overexerting their limits and cause damage to their health. However, do remember that zero to little exercise can be just as dangerous for the heart too. So how much should the average adult exercise every day? This is a very common question. According to the Center of Disease and Control, aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate physical activity every day. That means get at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous aerobic activity a week. 5 days in a week you have to do exercise. Moderate aerobic exercise include activities such as brisk walking, biking, swimming, or moving around the lawn. Vigorous aerobic activity includes running or heavy yard work or aerobic dancing. So what exactly is too much exercising? We have to know it clearly. It depends on many factors like age, health, and choice of workouts. So research shows that doing exercise above and beyond that does not increase your health benefits. So we have to be in an optimal level. But you should know that people who do light to moderate exercises had a lower risk of death than people who are not doing exercise. However, in people who ran at a faster pace for more than 3 times a week had a similar risk of dying as the non-runners. So that is also very important. So running too much and too intensely seem to undo many of the health benefits gained from regular exercise. Extreme endurance exercises like ultra marathons may also lead to heart damage, heart rhythm abnormalities, and enlarged major vessels of our body. So excessive exercise does not provide benefits than moderate exercise. So it can be more risky too. Excessive exercise can wreak havoc on your body, particularly the heart, tendons, muscles and ligaments, and even your immune system can be hampered. Everything must be done in a moderation. A moderate amount of exercise, just about 20 to 30 minutes, eating moderately, sleeping a full 7 hours, respecting your body by not feeding it with steroid or performance enhancement drugs are all that you need to do to stay healthy. You have to understand by 40 your body is You have to understand that by 40 the body is undergoing a lot of changes. By 50 even more, and 60 plus your body is starting to slow down. So understand your body very well, act accordingly. So the take home message of today is get the right exercise in the right amount. Please share this very important topic with everyone because we are losing many precious lives. We will come with another good topic soon. Take care everyone.